Want to unlock the secrets to financial freedom? There's a world of strategies and opportunities that can transform your bank account, but not everyone wants you to know about them. Let's break down some of the most powerful money-making hacks that are often overlooked or guarded. 1. Leverage cashback and rewards programs. Every purchase you make could be paying you back. Cashback apps and credit card reward programs let you earn money or points on your daily spending. Hack. Use multiple cashback platforms like Rakuten, Hunt, or Fetch Rewards alongside a high-reward credit card. Hidden secret. Stack cashback offers with discount codes for double savings. Potential gain. Save or earn hundreds of dollars yearly on purchases you already make. 2. Use the power of compound interest. Compound interest is a wealth builder that works silently but effectively over time. Small and let your money grow. Hack. Invest in index funds or high-yield savings accounts early. Hidden secret. Even $5 a day in a compounding account can grow into six figures over decades. Potential gain. Turning $10,000 into over $100,000 in 20 years isn't uncommon. 3. Monetize skills you already have. Chances are, you're sitting on a goldmine of marketable skills. From cooking to graphic design, your expertise can generate extra income. Hack. Start freelancing on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TaskRabbit. Hidden secret. Charge a premium by specializing in a niche, e.g. vegan meal plans instead of general nutrition. Potential gain. Earn $500 $5,000 monthly, depending on your skill and time commitment. 4. Sell digital products for passive income. Digital products are scalable, low cost, and perfect for earning money while you sleep. Hack. Create ebooks, courses, or printable templates and sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Hidden secret. Focus on evergreen topics like productivity or budgeting to ensure long-term sales. Potential gain. Some creators make $50,000 plus annually with just a few products. 5. Automate your savings. The easiest way to grow wealth is to remove human error. Automation does the hard work for you. Hack. Set up automatic transfers to a savings or investment account every payday. Hidden secret. Use apps like Digit or Acorns to invest spare change effortlessly. Potential gain. Save thousands without even realizing it. 6. Flip for profits. Flipping undervalued goods can turn a quick profit. Hack. Look for items at garage sales, thrift stores, or clearance racks to resell on eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. Hidden secret. Focus on trending items like vintage decor or rare sneakers for maximum margins. Potential gain. Earn $500 $3,000 monthly with minimal upfront investment. 7. Learn affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing pays you for promoting products you love. Hack. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok account and share affiliate links for products in your niche. Hidden secret. Promote high-ticket items or subscription services for larger payouts. Potential gain. Top affiliates earn over $10,000 monthly. 8. Rent out what you already own. Your car, tools, or even your parking space could be earning you money. Hack. Use apps like Turo, for cars, or Neighbor, for storage, to rent your items. Hidden secret. Rent out your driveway to commuters in busy areas for quick cash. Potential gain. Generate $100 $1,000 monthly with little effort. The secrets to making money aren't hidden, they're just underutilized. Start small, be consistent, and leverage these hacks to grow your income. The best kept secret? You already have everything you need to succeed.